Hey everybody, welcome back to Pink's Garage, or welcome to Pink's Garage if you're new here. This will be the Focus ST engine swap episode 8. It's not really showing you how to do it, it's just showing you the progress I've made, why I'm doing it. Maybe in the future when I get more of putting the engine back in, maybe I'll do some, show you how I'm doing things. But for right now, it's just getting things buttoned up. So let me turn this around and we'll see where we're at. So as you can see, we have a turbo mounted finally. The wastegate's on there, but it's only on there temporarily. I've got to take it apart and put springs in it, and I need to put the fittings on it. And I also need to make sure I orient it the right way, because right now I've got it facing straight back. It's probably not going to work. I don't remember exactly how it goes, because it's going to have this dump tube right here on it. There we go. Right there I've got my one of my cold side pipes for, putting this on, which is the SQV from HKS, which is my blow off valve, and I love the sound of it. It's what I had on my old one. It got destroyed in the wreck, so I wasn't able to salvage it. Anyway, there's a breakdown of how that thing goes together. I'm not water cooling it, so I'm going to plug these pipes on the side of the tile here, but as you see, it's all in the color red, which is kind of the accent color. Unfortunately, my reds don't match. But most of the time, this hood's going to be shut. Nobody's going to see it. Doesn't really matter. And another thing I found, which I was talking about before, was for this arm here, I found the replacement that I'll be putting on it, which is that one right there, which will make it a very short throw. It's got 4 different positions you can throw it into. I plan on using number 2, the same as I did before. It'll go right like that. And so it'll move that ball from here to here. So you can see how much of a difference that is on the throw. I also have some new bushings that I'm going to be putting in for the cable bushings. And then I've got mount bushings for the gear shift inside the car. But other than that, we're not doing much. Like I said, I just had surgery, and I was hard pressed to get this done. But this turbo is a little bit bigger than what came on this car. And by a little, I mean more than like twice the size of it. That little KO3 is small. And this doesn't make it look any smaller when you have this on top. So you've got the external dump. I don't know if you know Focuses, you know what they look like. And I mean, this is not a big turbo by any means. I mean, this thing is teeny compared to the ones I'm used to looking at on these big boy engines. V8s, they're doing much bigger turbos, like twice the size of that, if not bigger. But we come back over here to the old engine, and you can see this is the turbo that was on it. It's got an internal wastegate. And, unfortunately, I'm going to have to reuse this unless I buy another one, because the new kit didn't come with one. So I'll probably just have to reuse that one for now. It's still good. It works. But I'm going to go ahead and get some of this plumbing done that I need to do. Like, this is a boost controller here. I may need to take that and put it on over there. I don't know. I have to look into everything to see what all I got to get moved. That rubber hose there for going for the coolant into the back end of the engine. I may have to reuse that one. I don't think I have another one. Not a big deal. I may just buy a new one. It looks like just plain old hose. I could probably make myself one or buy one that's already made. Or just buy that part number from Ford, which would cost twice as much. But yeah, that's where we are. That's going to be it for this week. I'm going to take a break. I'm going to go inside. It's already like 9 o'clock at night on Sunday. And I do have to work tomorrow. So until next time, I'll see you in the garage.